Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's lesson is using yes I do or no I don't to answer questions that start with do you. Let's begin! Do you like pizza? Yes, I do. When you answer a question with yes, I do, that means you like pizza. What about you? Do you like pizza? No, I don't. When you answer a question with no, I don't, that means you don't like pizza. Do you fly a kite? No, I don't. She said, no, I don't, because she doesn't fly a kite. What about you? Do you fly a kite? Yes, I do. The boy answered, yes, I do. That means he flies a kite. Do you like snakes? No, I don't. He doesn't like snakes. What about you? Do you like snakes? Yes, I do. On the other hand, this boy likes snakes. Now that you know how to answer questions that start with do you in a sentence, let's practice using them with simple exercises. Let's do this! Do you like yogurt? Yes, I do. How about you? Do you like yogurt? No, I don't. Do you like ice cream? Yes, I do. How about you? Do you like ice cream? No, I don't. Do you like broccoli? No, I don't. How about you? Do you like broccoli? Yes, I do. Good job! I hope you found these exercises useful. If you do, click like and subscribe to see new videos on our channel to help you improve your English. Have an awesome day!